Look out today, we're about 6 weeks ahead of schedule with the heat and a little bit of humidity that's been out there. Almost a hazy look as we are looking from your St. Joseph Health weather bug camera. Some of that is going to be pollen, believe it or not. It's still that thick out there. It has been a hot day today, and again, you're looking at beautiful Frankfort. You're looking at the Capitol Rotunda there. Terrific day out there today with some folks honoring small businesses. You'll hear about that coming up in a little bit. MaxTrack Live Doppler. Well, we are looking clear for the moment, but boy, that will change starting really late tonight, maybe certainly during the day tomorrow. The MaxTrack returns with strong storms a possibility for us, especially later in the day tomorrow and tomorrow evening. Mother's Day weekend. There's going to be a lot of rain. It's going to be around, but there will be some dry time. I think our best chances for being dry, first half of the day on Saturday, maybe the last few hours of Mother's Day Sunday. We're trying to be a little optimistic here. Early next week, cool rules the roost. I want to show you this real quick. And for us, obviously, drought is long gone. But how much of the country is drought free? Now, the yellows that you see there, that's only considered dry. That's not in drought yet. 11% of the country, mostly centered in the southeast and across parts of the desert. Only 2% of the country is in what's considered to be drought, and it's in northern New Mexico. I mean, and that's it. What an amazing turnaround we have seen. The country has indeed been wet, and you are looking at more rain. Most of this is centered now across the Gulf Coast states, and there is severe weather going on there, severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. Meanwhile, you see that little spin right there? That's the upper level low. I mean, how cool is it to watch that just sit and spin there? And all the rain that you see going on up to the north with this system as well. So here's the setup. We've got a little trough cutting through here now, and that's where the thunderstorms have been this afternoon. By tomorrow morning, that trough is working its way toward the Mississippi River. Rain and thunderstorms out ahead of it. The secondary cold front will be following. By lunchtime tomorrow, rain is becoming more widespread. By the latter part of the day, most of us are getting wet, and again, it could be some strong storms mixed in there. This front will eventually work its way across the area late Thursday night and Friday morning, but there again, your final push of thunderstorms. And then by Friday, what happens in the backlash of the system is just a cool light rain around. But this high may be strong enough to keep the rain at bay until sometime later in the day on Saturday. Strong storms have been ongoing today across the Gulf Coast. Tomorrow, the possibility moves north, and we're on the edge. In fact, parts of us into that slight risk from the folks at the Storm Prediction Center. And then more rain as we get you on into Mother's Day weekend. So here's 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Rain is moving back in. That'll cross the area as we work through the evening. Heavier rain then comes through Saturday night and Sunday morning, and some of that will be locally heavy. In fact, we're looking at the potential for some excessive rain even tomorrow, and that would be from I-75 on back to the west. 83 right now at the Bluegrass Airport, and there's enough humidity out there, you're going to notice it. Partly to mostly cloudy. There is a rain chance late. Not a big one, though. We'll be warm. We'll be in the upper 60s. It gets windy tomorrow. Variable cloud cover, some sunshine, especially east. Highs close to 80. Rain and thunderstorms moving in. Some of those may be strong. Rain will be ending for us on Friday. Saturday, the rain returns late in the day, and most of Mother's Day looking wet. And look at the chill. 60s for highs.
And at nights,
in the 40s.
Quite chilly.
We hope to not talk about any frost.
No, a lot of people put their flowers out. Okay, thanks, Bill.